Raise your hand above your head. Watch the fan.
Oh, that guy.
There's a fan guy.
Oh.
Get ready. Come on, go. You gotta want it, kid. Tuck it. Move. You're missing gates. Get ready to jump. Jump.
Just don't split your pants, please.
Wow, look at the way I went through that gate.
When you jump, that means your feet have to come off the ground.
He's doing it better than I did.
I missed a lot of gates.
Celebrate.
Celebrate.
Where would this guy go?
And then you gotta, Dave, you gotta get the replay video.
Yeah, yeah.
Did I win?
Yep.
Wow. I think I pulled the muscle on my head.
Celebrate. Get down on it.
Watch the fan.
I killed him.
I want to see the video.
Perfect jump. Beat a rookie. Session 64 Cal. Whatever that is. Oh.
You burned 64 calories.